Good morning mga kabalaybay. So here I am again, Bongski and Os. Welcome back to my channel. Right now we're heading to Dinky, yung isa sa mga farm namin, kung saan nandun yung mga dry cows namin, yung mga heifers. So I am with Stephen Parsons. Yan, kapatid siya nung boss ko, ng employer ko. So we're heading there para magpakain ng mga dry cows namin. And right now mata-traffic ata kami kasi may ginagawa. Yan. So right now it's traffic. I asked his permission if is it okay to film with him, so he said yes. Say hi. Hi. Alright guys, see you again. Why? Oh, you get lollies. Okay. Do you have some? Keep it.
No.
What are we going to do?
Feed the heifers.
Feed the heifers? And then
I'll go back home and do something.
go back home
And do something.
and then
I don't know.
have lunch.
Maybe tonight. Is that what you want? Well, like I said,
I think we don't have any more farm job today.
no.
Yeah.
I got 40 tough.
Yeah, we will just feed the heifers. Yeah. Yeah, that's right guys. We're just going to Dinky and then feed the heifers, come back home and have lunch and watch videos. What kind of videos are you watching? Just Bad Boys. He's watching Bad Boys.
I've seen that.
Yeah.
I think on this one.
And Mamma Mia,
No, I've seen that.
you've seen that? Yeah. He's watching Mamma Mia.
You want to watch
What?
you want to watch a good movie?
Yes.
Bad Boys,
watching-
bad movie.
Yeah.
Bad Boys,
Alright guys, stick around.
bad Boys.
Alright guys, we're here in Dinky. Actually, this nire-rent na lang namin to nung employer ko yung place na to. Para doon sa mga namin, mga dry cows. Yung place kasi namin kinuha na yung other part nung may-ari kasi nire-rentahan namin yung pinaglalagyan namin ng dry cows. So nandito na tayo sa Dinky and magpapakain ako ng dry cows. I'm going to film it and bump. Why there's a lot of cows here? Whose cows are these ones? Oh. Alright guys, see you around. So ayan po mga kabalaybay, nilagyan na namin yung bale. Ayan nasa likod. Gusto niya magkasama kami magpapakain. Hindi niya ako iwanan. You don't trust me but I'm doing it every day. No, not every day. Before camping I'm doing it, but now you're not trusting me. Gusto niya magpakain nung mag-isa naman niya. So namin sa inyo kung paano magpakain ng bale using the tractor. So siya na lang yung magpakain, ako yung magtatanggal ng mga tali. So I'll just take off the straws and you feed them. Two bales on those dry cows.
Take them 2 bales. Oh.
But before we're just giving them 1 bale.
We were. It's rather 2.
But now we're going to give them 2.
2 a day.
Okay. Alright, see you guys again. Keep on watching. So ayan guys, tanggalin na namin ng tali. And Steve will feed them. He's going to feed them with hay. I'm going to wait for him here. So ito yung mga heifers namin. Yung iba dito buntis na. Actually nilagyan namin sila ng bulls para magbuntis. And yan, pupunta na sila, susunod sila doon sa hay. Actually ako nagpapakain dito, pero sabi niya sa akin siya na lang daw muna ngayon kasi gusto niyang magpa-impress. Sabi ko sige. So yan, hindi naman actually lagi araw-araw ako pumupunta dito. Kalimitan yung boss, yung employer ko yung pumupunta. And yung place na to, hindi to sa amin, nirerentahan lang namin to. Actually binebenta nila yung place na to. Yung employer ko gusto niya sana, kaya lang ang napansin niya namin dito, hindi maganda yung place. Napakadaming dapat baguhin, especially yung fences. Dapat talaga babaguhin, marami. So yan, kumakain na sila, so lapitan natin. Hello girls, see you tomorrow. Ayan, kumakain sila. So bukas naman babalik kami dito para piliin sa kanila kung alin yung mga buntis na sa kanila. So yan, tomorrow yun yung activity namin. And medyo long day yon. So siguro tomorrow morning magfi-film din ako and kasama dito, pero kasi ito yung mga job namin na hindi masyadong ginagawa pang araw-araw. Actually sa ngayon, since it is winter, already spring pero malamig pa rin, and pagka ganito mga season hindi kami masyadong maraming ginagawa. So wala kaming everyday work, daily yun lang, daily routine ko lang na mag-milking, kuhanin yung baka, and then sometimes maglilinis sa dairy. Yun lang, ganun lang ang ginagawa ko. Pero pag dating ng, let's say, pag maaraw na, yung tumitindi na yung araw, yun, magsisimula na ulit kami ng daily jobs namin. Pero mga simpleng lang naman yun mga fences, ganon. Yung mga ganun lang. Tapos yung mga konting sira sa farm, yun, gagawin namin. So ayan, nilagay na niya yung isang bale ulit sa likod, and then ipapakain na niya. And after this, uwi na ako. Actually pwede namang hindi ako bumalik ngayon, kaya lang naisip ko wala rin naman akong gagawin sa bahay, so bumalik ako and sinamahan ko siya magpakain. Ayun, akala ko nga ako magpapakain, pero sabi niya siya na lang daw. So ayan, ganyan yung pagpapakain namin ng bale dito. Gumagamit kami ng tractor para ikalat, yung may roller siya. Actually ginagawa din namin yan pagka during dry season, pagka yung mga dry na yung mga baka namin. So ganyan yung pagpapakain namin. And yun, madali lang naman mga jobs dito. Actually sa totoo lang, mas madali yung jobs ko dito. Hindi ako nahihirapan masyado. And unlike doon sa New Zealand na ano, talagang focus kami doon. Ayan. Ganun. So nagro-roll lang siya hanggang sa maubos. Pagka naubos na yon, saka kailangan kasi maubos niya yung dalawang bale na yon. So paikot-ikot lang siya dito. And ayun. So kung sa tingin nyo nagustuhan nyo yung video nito, please hit like and comment at the bottom. And kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe. Kung naligaw ka rin, kung naligaw ka lang dito, please subscribe and hit like kung nagustuhan mo yung video, and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong gawin kong content. So marami pa naman akong content na naiisip, and konti-konti muna. Okay guys, so we're finished, and after this we're heading home. We're going home after this, and Steve-O will just go back to the dairy.
Bloody work all bloody day, mate.
He's going to work like this. You're just going to put the machine up, and he's going to put the machine up and
Sorry, what help me?
and clean the bucket. No, it will only take you like 10 minutes. He's a fast worker.
Hey,
He's old, but he's
slow. The bloody
no,
slow,
you're old, but you're fast.
You're slow too.
All right.
You go. You got broken arm, everything.
Hey?
Got arthritis, Eddie.
Alright guys, stick around, see ya. Hey guys, we saw KOALA. And can I go down?
Yeah.
I will go down, and
You'll have a go at you.
and I will film it for you guys. I saw KOALA. See you guys. Hi KOALA. Hi. Hi, look at me. Hey. Hi KOALA. Alright guys, we've seen a KOALA. It was so, yeah, it's unusual to see a KOALA here.
Oh, you can't see down the Bay Road soon.
On the back road. Yes.
You going to Peterborough?
In Peterborough. Yeah, I've seen one in Peterborough on the road.
I went to Jerry one day.
Yeah.
Because I think I had a goldie.
Yeah.
I had a goldie.
Alright guys, we've seen a KOALA.
Seeing glass.
Yeah, we've seen a KOALA in the daylight, because I thought KOALA just came out of during night, because they are nocturnal, and now we've seen one, and we're lucky to catch her or him on the film. Alright guys, stick around. So ayan guys, pauwi na kami, and ayan, tapos na yung it's bumpy. Tapos na yung the farm job namin. Pauwi na kami, and ayan, we're so lucky to saw a KOALA on the tree. And hindi ko pwedeng kasing lapitan yung KOALA kasi hindi siya mabait. Baka mamaya-maya kung anong gawin sa akin. So nag-film na lang ako na nakaano sa kanya. And yan. Alright guys, kung naligaw ka lang dito sa channel ko, or bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe. And kung nagustuhan mo yung videos na to, mag-like ka and mag-comment, and keep on watching my channel, So alright guys, see you again on my next video. Stephen here with Bongski in Oz, and stick around guys. Peace out.